welcome to Teacher with Wings. I really hope you're enjoying my content and you're able to connect with the same as well. Today's video is going to be a little serious because I've started getting questions from different people regarding my college and what basically one can expect before entering this particular college. This video is specially to address those questions. I really hope that once this is done, it might just clear some of your doubts for sure. Dekho, many of you, those who are with me from the beginning, they would be knowing that before this I was in the education sector. I have worked there for close to 5.5, 6 years. So I think there is a moral responsibility which I have on myself, and I try to take it forward for as long as possible to be as truthful and as honest to people, because I know that in India there's a lot of potential, but only and only when people are misguided, that potential is not tapped in the right way. So this entire video will be to just be as honest as I can be and to try and guide you through the right decision which may help you in the long run, right? So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Before we do that, if you're already a member of my YouTube family, then thank you so much for staying with me for all these months and years. And if you're not, then maybe you can just go through the content and you would like something for sure. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं अपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से. Why to do an MBA? आपने देखा होगा कि MBA में it doesn't matter what is your graduation background, they basically welcome everyone. बहुत लोग को ये मिथ रहता है कि if you're coming from the engineering degree, you have an edge in MBA. As a matter of fact, I don't really think so. And why do I say this? So it's already been 3.5, 4 months here in this college. I have seen that there are some specific subjects where you get a little bit of edge or advantage over the other people. But other than that, it doesn't really matter. To be very honest, in MBA, the one and the only thing which matters is your skill and your ability to process through the situation so that you can take out the right solution for that. So सबसे पहला myth जो लोगों के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कि यार if you are an engineering graduate it will give you an edge, I would say no. कुछ लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि you know if you are into engineering you have a very good relation with numbers and for you to calculate things it just becomes like a piece of cake. To burst your myth again over there, we get a calculator. It's allowed in all the papers. So वहाँ पे भी you can just simply make a peace with that. थोड़ा बहुत advantage definitely होता है आपको during the entrance exams because आपका maths के साथ continuity थोड़ा लंबे समय के लिए होता है as compared to people coming from BCom or other arts background or any other place. So that's question number 1. It doesn't really matter which particular stream you take in your graduation, but the only thing which matters is are you actually ready for doing your MBA? And that brings me to my question number 2. In my own class of around 60 people, I have people who are as young as 21. I have people who are as, I won't really say old, but again as young as 27 and 28 as well. Does that matter? I think it does. Why so? Let me tell you. So if you give a certain situation to someone who's at 21, I'm not trying to generalize it at all. Let me give the disclaimer way in advance. I'm not generalizing it at all. But someone at the age of 21 might have a different outlook to a particular problem, and someone who's at 27 or 28 or 25 plus, that person might have a different outlook towards the entire situation, right? To cut the long story short, does it really matter at what age you are doing your MBA? No, it does not. The only thing which matters is are you ready to do that or not? You would have seen people becoming billionaires as young as 21. Like right now at this very impromptu moment, I can only think of Kylie Jenner being that. And then you would have seen people becoming billionaires as old as 60s and 70s as well. The only thing which matters is are you actually ready to do that? So having answered these 2 questions, let me come to the third question. Which entrance exam you should take? In our country, there are so many entrance exams which are accepted by different colleges for giving you admission in the MBA. The biggest chunk of colleges fall in the CAT category. आप CAT के exam दो, उसके अंदर उसका जो score होता है उसके basis पे you can apply to a lot of colleges. Same way there are ZAT, MAT, NMAT and SNAP as well. SNAP is one such exam which is only for the symbiosis colleges. Now in Symbiosis also, if I'm not wrong, I think there are around 11 to 12 colleges in all, and all of them bring some or the other kind of expertise with them. You would find out colleges which are very much specialized only in sports management, and then there are colleges which also do give you the degree of general MBA. So take a choice. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप बहुत confident हो and your whole and soul dream is to actually get into an IIM, I would recommend focus on your CAT exam, which I'm sure you would have already done, because I think somewhere around November the exam will be scheduled. But if you really think, if you're someone like me, let me talk about me. I'm not talking about anybody at all. I'm talking about myself. So I was not very good with mathematics. Also, CAT is a very different kind of an exam, I would say. मैंने बहुत सारे YouTube videos देखे थे जहाँ पे लोग बोलते थे, तू जा, तू फाड़ देगा, तू ये कर देगा, तू वो कर देगा. I think that doesn't really matter, and that doesn't really work, to be very honest. Reason is आपकी capability आप जानते हो, कोई और नहीं जानता है, तो आप उस हिसाब से अपना decision लो कि आपको कौन सा exam देना है. I gave my CAT exam. The moment I came back home, I knew that I have actually ruined the paper. इसलिए मैंने इतना load ही नहीं लिया. I just literally sat down, prepared for the snap, and I was just hoping कि यहाँ पे मेरा कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, right? So I got into the snap exams, and my scores were also pretty decent. I won't say it was very high, but it was pretty decent. So once you have decided on which exam to take up, now let's come to question number 4: which college you should take. Every person has different reasons for getting admission in a certain college. For someone, it is just like a college life that you missed out due to pandemic in your graduation days, and you're just trying to relive those. So you would want to have a very lush green campus जहाँ पे बहुत मस्ती होती है, बहुत fun होता है, all sorts of things. For someone, it is like you've already worked for a few years, you're just looking for development or maybe growth in your profession, so you're choosing, so your college choice and preference will be different. And then come people like me. So I am doing my MBA after doing my graduation in arts, which is absolutely different in terms of what stream I come from. And on top of that, I am doing my MBA after working for close to 5 years. Now, कुछ लोग को लगता है कि आपने अगर 5-6 साल काम कर लिया तो you should go for executive MBA. Good idea, but good for those who are already working in the corporate sector. So अगर आप corporate sector में ही थे और फिर आप MBA के बारे में सोच रहे हो, then you can go for an executive MBA. But क्योंकि मेरा experience education sector में था, which was absolutely different from this corporate world, so I thought I want to do MBA, even though it might be a little late. Late भी मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, late as compared to some other people in the batch that I am in, but I wanted to do a full-fledged MBA, right? So you decide why are you doing your MBA? Is it just because आप अपने job में एक position पे हो, आपको growth चाहिए तो कर रहे हो? Is it because आपका graduation complete हो गया, you simply want to continue your studies तो कर रहे हो? Or is it because you fall in my category that you have done your graduation, worked for a few years, and since you have a very dynamic kind of experience, therefore you want to do a full-fledged MBA, तो आप decision उसके हिसाब से बनाओ, right? Now once that question is answered with utmost honesty, see, even though पैसा आपके parents का लग रहा है, but trust me, I know that you will have that guilt on you if you do not make justice to the investment you are asking or expecting your parents to do. So please be very mindful of getting all of these questions answered way in advance, right? Now let's come to the next part of it. When and how do you choose the college? हर किसी का अलग अलग क्राइटेरिया होता है. I wanted to get admission in this particular college itself. अभी ये कुछ लोग को थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट टू डाइजेस्ट होगा, बट आई थिंक फॉर मी इट रियली वर्क. तो देखो, मैं 5-6 साल एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में काम करके आई हैव अंडरस्टूड वन थिंग वेरी क्लियरली, एंड दैट इज यू आर योर बेस्ट क्रिटिक. यू नो योर कैपेबिलिटीज बेटर देन एनीबडी अराउंड यू. यार, जस्ट बिकॉज किसी ने तुमको चढ़ा दिया तो तुम चढ़ गए और तुमने कोई डिसीजन ले लिया और फिर उसके बाद में यू आर रिपेंडिंग योर एंटायर लाइफ, दैट डजंट मेक सेंस. मुझे अगर कोई कितना भी बोलता ना तू IIM मटीरियल है, मैं तब भी बोलती बॉस मुझसे नहीं होगा. Reason being, I would not be able to pass the entrance, and I knew that. Okay, so I did not pressure myself. I literally looked for option number B or maybe stream number B. Basically, मुझे पता था कि ultimately पहुंचना है तो मुझे उसी जगह पे है, right? तो आप decide करो कि क्या आपके लिए work करता है. Why did I choose this college? Now I come from a defense background. My father has been serving the Indian Army for close to 27 years already. So this college suited my family background very well. तो सबसे पहला रीजन तो वो हुआ. सेकेंड रीजन, यहाँ का फीस. नाउ इफ यू कंपेयर द फीस ऑफ एन MBA कॉलेज एट एन एवरेज इन इंडिया, इट रेंजेस फ्रॉम, if we leave the exceptions like I think Delhi में है वो, I'm not able to recall that name, or maybe like TIS का fees is only like nearly 1 lakh or something. तो अगर आप उस सबको हटा भी दो, other than that एक जो थिक बैंड होता है that ranges between 10 lakhs to as high as 30-35 lakhs as well. तो मेरे लिए, to be very honest, though I know by God's grace I come from a very good family, so my father would be more than happy to help me through the fees, but I didn't really want to spend that much money. I wanted to do an MBA which suits my profile, number one, which suits the family environment that I come across or come from, number two, and number three, which should be very much in budget. So my fees as of now is around 11 or 12 lakh rupees, और थोड़ा सा इसमें हम लोग का फर्स्ट ईयर का फीस प्लस फर्स्ट ईयर का हॉस्टल इंक्लूडेड है, और सेकेंड ईयर का we will again be given, and that will be around I think 1 से 1.5 लाख रुपए के अप्रॉक्स लगना चाहिए हॉस्टल का. तो इन टोटल इट विल बी समवेयर अराउंड 13 to 14 lakh rupees, which I think is very much in budget. Now why do I say that? Reason being, when you compare that with the kind of placements which I get, which I think is one of the most important thing for anyone. देखो, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी, लेट्स बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, हम बहुत बात करते हैं स्किल की, एक्सपोजर की, लर्निंग की, हर चीज की, बट एट द एंड ऑफ एवरीथिंग व्हाट वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग एंड व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, that is the most important equation anyone would be ever bothered about. So let's directly get into that. At a fees which I am supposed to pay and which anyone in my batch is supposed to pay, which is close to like I think it will fall in the ballpark of 12 to 14. The kind of placements they offer over here ranges from 8 lakh rupees to as high as 26 and 27 lakh rupees also. जब मैं इस कॉलेज के बारे में रिसर्च कर रही थी, I saw there was a lot of negative reviews about it, which I feel is absolutely wrong. So it was either negative review or it was people did not have any idea. तो यार देखो, अगर आप किसी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाते हो, check the facts. Don't just go up in the air and claim anything. ये गलत होता है. मैं as an independent student, as someone who is over here, who has already completed 3 months and next month onwards हमारी SIP start होने वाली है, I know this and I know this for a fact. मैं चाहती हूँ कि यार anyone out there, आप अगर अपने वर्ड से किसी को इन्फ्लुएंस करो, एटलीस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट, डोंट जस्ट इन्फ्लेट द नंबर्स और डोंट जस्ट से एनीथिंग एट ऑल. ठीक है, तो इट इज वेरी मच लाइक you can take it like a elder sister telling you the truth. That's up to you whether you want to take it or not, but I am trying to be as honest as possible. For a fees that you pay between 12 to 14 lakh rupees, थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है because हमें सेकेंड ईयर की हॉस्टल की फीस और अमाउंट अभी तक नहीं मिली है. For a fees of that particular amount, you can get placements as low as 7-8 and as high as 26 and 27 also. Now don't come and complain कि यार मैंने 14 लाख रुपए दिए थे और मेरा 8 लाख का ही प्लेसमेंट लगा है. तो ये इसलिए होता है because you are not able to exercise through the opportunities that you are getting over here. I studied from Kendra Vidyalaya and I'm very proud of my school because वहाँ पे एक चीज बहुत clear थी that you have to find your opportunities yourself to actually make the best out of them. And the very same thing happens in my college as well. There are n number of opportunities. To be very honest, there are some companies which do not come directly to the campus, but they do call the students through different business competitions. तो ये भी मत कहो कि यार इस कॉलेज में ये कंपनी नहीं आती, वो कंपनी नहीं आती. The world is very open today. Go check Unstop. There are n number of business activities. There are n number of business competitions. Get enrolled, win them, get an opportunity to have a PTO, PPI. There are a lot of things. ये चीज बहुत क्लियर है कि जो आप फीस देते हो उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करती हुई प्लेसमेंट आपको मिलती है. इनफैक्ट उससे डबल भी मिलती है. The only thing which you need to do is look into the opportunities and make the best of it. So in case anyone wants to know more about my MBA profile and MBA related kind of activities, I'll also drop in my LinkedIn ka link in the description box. You can check it out over there because slowly and gradually whatever opportunities I'm getting and I'm winning, I'm putting it up over there as well. So you can exercise your options. यूज योर स्किल्स एंड यू कैन मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट। मेरे बजट के लिए मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस ये था कि मुझे नियर अबाउट 13-14 के अप्रॉक्स में ही लेना है, वेयर इन आई कैन गेट विदाउट कोलेटरल 7.5-8 लाख तक का लोन मुझे आराम से मिल जाता। उसके बाद कुछ आई हैड सम सेविंग्स एंड फॉर सम आई एम टेकिंग माई फादर्स हेल्प एंड आई विल बी एबल टू यू नो navigate through the entire fee structure and I'll be also able to get a very good job. ये I think बहुत ही ज़्यादा important question था. Now there were some other questions also. Is there ragging that happens in the college? The answer is a big bold no. Now why do I say this? Now let me tell you. The director of our college isn't just any other person. He's basically a brigadier retired from the Indian Army. He has been to a lot of places. He has been, if you go through his profile, you will find out that he's a man of discipline. Right? And I mean it when I say this. First thing, this college is for defense dependents and defense personals. It is under Brigadier Dr. Rajiv Divekar. He's a man of discipline, he's a man of words. So breaking rules is not something which happens over here very often. And if it happens, if at all it happens, let me tell you, he becomes the first person to take the entire thing into his hands and he makes sure that the whole thing is looked into with utmost amount of seriousness. So ragging, no, it doesn't happen over here. To your surprise, you would find the seniors over here very, very, very helpful. MBA, I feel when you enroll into it, it's not like you're a kid out of the college कि यार बचकानी हरकत में तुमने कर लिया. MBA is a very professional degree and everyone believes in building those professional relationships. Reason being, कल को मेरे senior जो हैं वो बिजनेस वर्ल्ड में गए और विद इन 2-3 years वो बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन पे चले गए. आई मे नीड हिज हेल्प और आई मे नीड हर हेल्प. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी, आई एम नॉट दैट फूल टू एक्चुअली cut that relation just because I had a stupid fling in my college days or difference of opinion. तो वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता है, ठीक है. फिर भी अगर आपने कर दिया तो क्या बोलूँ मैं, अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकते नहीं, ये तो फिर आपकी पर्सनल चॉइस पे हो गया. तो think about it, make the best decision. Now talking of the faculty over here, yes, just like any other MBA college, we do have faculty who are coming from corporate backgrounds and then turning into professors. We have professors who are directly into it as well. So we have a mix of both. Now when you have a mix of both, you get an idea about both the things. So faculty में तो कोई problem नहीं. Also on top of everything, these faculties are members of the Symbiosis International University. So उनके quality के साथ तो कोई compromise होता नहीं है. अब एक स्टूडेंट की तरह कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स में आपकी फॉन्डनेस थोड़ी ज्यादा होती है और कुछ में आपकी फॉन्डनेस थोड़ी कम होती है. ऑब्वियस ही बात है, अगर मुझे कोई सब्जेक्ट थोड़ा ज्यादा पसंद है तो वो फैकल्टी अगर थोड़ा सा मतलब इन एनी अदर वे थोड़ा डिफरेंट रहेगा तो भी मुझे वो अच्छा लगेगा. और अगर मुझे कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं पसंद है तो वो फैकल्टी कितनी भी अच्छी हो मुझे वो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी हैव एन इनहिबिशन इन माई माइंड. सो अगेन टॉकिंग ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट, फैकल्टीज आर very, very experienced over here and they bring a very huge amount of variety over here as well. The pedagogy that we follow is exactly what you study in an IIM. तो अगर कोई मेरे जैसा बच्चा है यार, मैं बिल्कुल भी इसको generalize नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just trying to make it as personal and honest as I can. If there's someone who's like me, my USP is my communication skill. At the same point of time, I know that I'm not very good with numbers. So I did not pressure myself much for the CAT results. I knew I won't be able to do it. I still tried. When I did not succeed in that, it did not bother me or it did not affect me to that level that I ruined my other opportunity. I didn't do that. That's one thing. Second thing, मेरा बहुत ही calculated decision था to do the MBA at this particular age, in this particular budget, and to look for a college which gives me this much of opportunity. तो मैं बहुत ही clear थी इन सारी चीज़ों के साथ में. And trust me, देखो हिंदी में कहावत है ना यार, अगर तुम प्यासे हो तो कोई भी तुम्हें कुएं तक ले जा सकता है, लेकिन पानी पीने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो तुम पे है. तो यू हैव टू डिसाइड व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर यू. बट सो फार एज द कॉलेज इज कंसर्न, इफ यू आर समवन हु कम्स फ्रॉम अ डिफेंस बैकग्राउंड, एंड आई एम एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन दिस बिकॉज अगर आप डिफेंस बैकग्राउंड से हो तो आपकी फीस 12 to 14 रेंज करती है. अगर आप सिविलियन हो देन इट टचेस अराउंड 18 एज वेल. तो उसके बाद में आपका अपना पर्सनल डिसीजन होना चाहिए. बट इफ यू आर फ्रॉम द डिफेंस बैकग्राउंड, you would literally feel that you are reliving your army cantonment days in this campus. Same kind of everything, whether it is the kind of cloth that is used in the auditorium chairs or the kind of paint that you see on the walls. It is absolutely the same. Same discipline, same environment, very affordable. Because why do I say affordable? Now there will be someone who would say यार 14 लाख तो कोई बहुत कम चीज नहीं है. तो ठीक है, अगर आपको एक्चुअली में वैसा लगता है, then no problem. There are colleges who are giving this opportunity at a much lower price as well. Have the capability to qualify those. बट अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, देन 14 एज कम्पेयर टू अ लॉट ऑफ अदर कॉलेज. इनफैक्ट आप सिम्बाइसिस की ही बाकी कॉलेजेस की फीस देखोगे, दैट इज क्वाइट हाई. उसके हिसाब से तो यार बहुत ही ज्यादा कम है. तो उस हिसाब से देखो, अपॉर्चुनिटीज को कैलकुलेट करो. ऑन टॉप ऑफ एवरीथिंग यू डिसाइड दैट वेयर वुड यू बी हैप्पी. I know this video is a little longer than my normal format of 12 to 14 minutes, but trust me on this, I'm just trying to help out that one confused mind out there जिसको थोड़ा सा भी ये फील हो रहा होगा कि यार मुझे यहाँ पे एडमिशन लेना है बट मुझे पता नहीं है कि this college would be fruitful for me or not. If at all this video can help you, I'll be more than happy. Just 2 days back there was a business competition which was there in my college, and I won that. I've updated that on my LinkedIn also. But keeping that apart, so there were 2-3 things which the guest speaker, basically the judge, he said, which actually it just stayed with me, and I'd like to share that with you. That जिंदगी आपको बहुत सारे मौके देती है, सरल शब्दों में उसे आज कहते हैं. तो अपने डिसीजन को खुद से लो, खुद समझो, और इस तरीके से सोच के लो कि कल को आपको उसके लिए कोई रिग्रेट ना हो. And second thing on top of everything is, this is something even I feel, if you can make a stranger smile one particular day, I think you paid the rent of living on earth for that day. So I really hope this video helps you. थोड़ा लंबा है, I know that it is not entertaining at all, but it is an honest review about my college, an honest review about how you can navigate your decision before getting into any college, and I really hope you find some quality into it. I'm fine if it does not approach a lot of people. I'm absolutely okay with it. But अगर ये किसी एक बंदे को भी मिल गया ना जिसको actually में इसके बारे में जानना है, I think my entire effort just makes, you know, that just makes a real justice. So अभी तक अगर आप मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हो, then thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying here. I say that because I really mean it. Thank you so much over and over. कोई और भी डाउट्स है, प्लीज फ्लड द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं हर एक सवाल को लूं, बिकॉज मैं कुछ महीने पहले आपकी सिचुएशन पे थी, एंड इसीलिए मुझे पता है कि कई बार ये बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग एंड ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग हो जाता है बिफोर वी गेट डाउन टू द लेवल वेयर वी हैव टू डिसाइड कि भाई करूँ तो करूँ क्या. तो thank you so much for watching. I really hope you get your questions answered. If you have any more, please drop into the comment section. I'll make sure that I answer all of them particularly and individually. And अगर आपको मेरा content अच्छा लग रहा है तो there's a red button out there, नीचे में ऐसे दिखता है, उसमें लिखा हुआ है सब्सक्राइब कर लो. It won't take anything out of your pocket, but it will mean the world for me. So thank you. I really hope all your dreams and wishes come true. You find the right path and you find the real happiness. जल्दी मिलूंगी, तब तक bye bye, take care, and please smile. Don't forget, that's very important. Okay, bye for now.